I once worked in a kitchen where my hiring was contingent upon my ability to make a proper omelet. That was scary. I got the job, and I'll show you step by step how I did it. I can also show you step by step what I did to get fired, which was working too slowly. Step 1, crack a couple eggs into a bowl. Whisk them up with a fork until the yolks and the whites are completely blended and smooth. Add a pinch of salt. If you're measuring, start with like 1/8 of a teaspoon, and you can add more next time if you feel like it needs it. A lot depends on the quality of the eggs themselves, along with the salt content of whatever fillings you might add later, like bacon, which is wicked salty already. Keep whisking while you heat a small non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Throw a little butter in there, say a tablespoon. When your butter's melted, you're gonna pour in your egg, and if you don't already, make sure you have a plate ready to go along with a good spatula. This is technically a fish spatula, but I use it for pretty much everything. Keep an eye on your egg, and once it starts to firm up a little, that's when you're gonna wanna add in whatever filling you're going with. Here's a few ideas to get you started. We're gonna keep it simple here and just go with a little Parmesan cheese, but feel free to go crazy. When the egg is mostly set, you're going to gently fold 1/3 of it over, then fold over the other third. All right, you're 90% of the way done, but the tricky part comes last, plating this thing gracefully. In my experience, the more you think about it, the worse you're going to do. So rather than think about it, just put the back of your spatula right here to keep it somewhat in place as you smoothly invert the pan and slide the spatula out from underneath. Just a little butter makes it pretty. And I like some fresh chives too. And there you go, you just made an omelet. You should be proud. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. If I was able to help you out today, you can help me by subscribing because I thrive on positive reinforcement. Enjoy your omelet. Peace.